Hey everybody, Sam here with Garavel Subaru in Norwalk, Connecticut. Today I want to real quickly show you how to use the adaptive cruise control and lane centering function. As you know, the right side of your steering wheel is completely dedicated to your adaptive cruise control settings. This button in the top right will turn the adaptive cruise control system on. You see that symbol there on the dashboard that lets you know it is ready to be used. Pull down on the middle lever to set a desired speed. If you ever cancel cruise control and you want to get back into that same speed, just push up to reset at that speed. A lot of people wonder what these buttons do. These will adjust the following distance between you and the car in front of you. And watch what happens when I press these. As those lines go up and down, that is greater and lesser following distance between you and the car in front of you. Lastly is your lane centering. When adaptive cruise is set, press this button. You'll see that same symbol there on the dashboard, and that will keep you centered in your lane and ping pong you back if you start to drift out. Adaptive cruise control must be on for that to work. Doesn't do anything unless the system is on. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.